guys, it is November 6, 2020. This one here I got a call for, I guess the guy's got an outside sprinkler system and the valve in the basement is needs to be replaced from what the sprinkler guy said. So, the lawn sprinkler guy. So he wants me to go over there and drain the house down and change the, I think it's, if I remember right, they're globe valves upside down in this place. It's that place that's got all that white stuff in the basement, that roofing material in the crawl space. So I talked to the guy and he's supposed to leave the door open for me, or I did call when he's not around. I don't know where he is. He's kind of a cool guy. Talked to him and he's retired now. I like bullshitting with this guy because he's I don't know, he's kind of a construction guy, construction worker like me, and I guess we got our own way about ourselves. We're not too polished. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on. I know I gotta have to shut the whole house and drain the whole house down, so that's gonna be the low point. I got some compression ball valves. I might put one of them in there if it's 3/4. I'm hoping it's I think it's 3/4, not 1 inch. So, we'll try to get you some shots over whatever I do over there. Got my truck back, it's running good. I was having problems with it wouldn't start. You turn the key on and push the button and nothing. So, he put a new starter in there for me, because that was old starter. Because it was one of these things that didn't happen all the time. It would happen periodically, and then when I take it to the mechanic, it wouldn't happen. So we just changed the ignition switch, the button, and the starter, and that should take care of it, hopefully. When in doubt, change it all out. It's a money pit, mama. It's a money pit. It's a write-off, so I'm not too worried about it. Need write-offs. Yeah.
So what happens is, he is not what you call an alpha dog.
Is he?
He wouldn't bother you. It's almost better.
Yeah, so that handle's just loose down there. I'll see if I can tighten it. If not, we'll replace it. These handles are a little corroded, but I don't think he ever shuts these off.
No, I don't think he does either.
But just for shits and giggles, just to see if the thing works, I'll keep this off for now.
I think somebody out there would like you break it, it breaks, you know.
If it breaks, then we replace it, right? Looks like the nuts just... I think if I could tighten that nut up, I don't know if I can or not, but if I can tighten that nut up, it will work. If not, I gotta replace the valve. We'll see if we can tighten it. Probably gonna have to change the whole valve, but I'm gonna try. We're going to change the whole valve. So we're going to drain the whole house down. That's going to be one hell of a bitch. That's a low point right there. We're going to change the valve. So I'm probably better off just, I'll go open up all the faucets upstairs and maybe drain it out of here for now. Get as low as we can. And that's going to have to be changed. Great. I could always open up this too if I want. Alright, we're gonna go get that off. We'll open this. We're gonna we're gonna open this after and drain it, so we could solder that. So I'll need a valve and a repair coupling. I have them. Alright, so I had them open up all the faucets in the house. I should be able to drain it. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. I put a mark there and a piece of pipe that I got out of the truck. There's going to be our 2 cuts right there. The outside sprinkler valve's gonna probably have to be changed eventually, but not right now. Because this is the valve that they shut off all the time anyway. They don't really use the other one, shut the other one off so much, but this thing is just flipping mess. So it's a mess. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Need some more sandpaper. It's getting a little crusty, Mom. It's getting crusty. It's getting a little crusty. This is what they call repair coupling or slip coupling. It's got no stops on it. Watch. Okay. I'm gonna solder that up now. I don't know if there's no smoke alarms down here. I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. There's smoke alarms down here. Should be it. That should be it. We'll turn it on and make sure it don't leak before I... Good enough for this neighborhood. That looks like that valve's leaking by or something's going on with it. I don't know. I'll tighten this back up and give it the old how you doing. I just want to make sure we got no leaks, right? We don't want a leaker. Alright. Wow, that thing's on there. Just gonna open this up quick, make sure there's no leak. So I got it open, I got it off outside and I got that thing open, right? Oh, I don't see any leaks. Yeehaw! She's a leaker! He's a pisser, mama. Just draining this leg back. There's a sub pump down here I could dump this water into. That's good enough for this neighborhood. This is all reinstated.
Listen.